We'll actually add pod files. What we'll do is we'll come over here to the world weather, right click, say show in Finder, so it shows up in the Finder. We'll actually open the terminal window and we will say cd, and we will actually drag and drop this folder over there. So we have that, and if we do a ls over here, we can actually see the Xcode proj over there. So then what we'll do is we'll say pod init. Pod init will add a init pod file over here. We will come over here, save file, open, and we'll open that pod file. So we have opened that pod file. In the class, we actually discussed in the canvas, this is their pod file for weather app. So what I'll do is I'll right click and I'll say copy. And this is the pod file for the weather app. These are the pod files we'll be using. I'll just paste it over here. I'll remove the spaces and stuff. Just make it look okay. I think that is good, and we'll also do IQKeyboardManager.swift. Okay, so saved all of that. I saved the pod file. Everything is good. Next, what we'll do is we'll say PodInstall. PodInstall should install all the pod files for us. For you guys, like I think it's arch_x86 or something for the M. For the the other iOS devices, MacBooks. So that is good. So our pod files is actually done. So now we'll close this and we will say open dot. So now we'll actually open the workspace, this one. Okay, so that is good. That is wonderful. We'll actually go to the app delegate, and for app delegate, I'll say import IQKeyboardManager Swift, and over here at the start we will say IQKeyboardManager dot shared dot enabled is equal to true. So that should actually take care of any keyboard problems that we actually might have to face. Everything will be taken care of us. So that is wonderful. We have added the pod files. We have added the IQKeyboardManager. Next, we'll actually look into how to make the UI part of it and stuff like that. Okay, thank you.